A Ghanaian blind student takes to social media a video of her frying Gary as she does it to help her sick mom. Meanwhile, a Nigerian pregnant woman tattoos her celebrity Mayokun on her pregnant tummy, my people. Anyways, you're welcome back to Kongosa and Gossip TV. If this is the first time you're stopping by, you're highly welcome. If you are here and you've not yet subscribed, please do well to smash that red subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your post notification. And for all the returning subscribers, I thank you all for the support, and I thank you all as you do subscribe. So my people, this one na matter wey e dey social media, wey e dey boom, like e dey boom everywhere, my people. Una dey see this pregnant girl, e don decide for tattoo her celebrity Mayokun. Una know na Nigerian songwriter and singer, for her tummy, as she take the celebrate and say na one of her favorite celebrity, my people. Una see how she dey rock the tattoo for her tummy. My people, wahala for tattoo this 2021. I don't understand wetin dey happen, as in what is happening this recession, because all wait wey we don't take to know na say this 2021 period for tattoo, so no be empty one, no. Now one way hunger day, you dey call celebrity out like, oh hello, I dey here, oh, make you shower me something. Yes, my people, una remember tattoo way of recent when a Davilskin e be take tattoo for him hand, and Davilskin be send am 2,500 naira. The fan e comot out, e para say you dey give me 2,500 naira after I don't tattoo your name for my body. Na say make I take am do wait, my people. So from all indication, the tattoo wey people dey do this time around no be matter for I love this guy, I love this celebrity, I'm a huge fan, and what he does, I love it. Na because say you the one draw attention for your body, you the one call attention, say make una see, I dey your celebrity, abeg shower me something, my people. Wetin una think about this matter? I don't know wetin dey worry some of these celebrities them and their fan they all together, because now some e don't make them, others they get the guts for take do this kind thing to, my people. Yes, wetin this girl e go talk for her future children, or for people wey go ask her question tomorrow? How you go take tattoo celebrity image for your tummy? Anyways, my people, the matter it be very disturbing to me. Una dey see am na, the matter be very disturbing to me. Wetin una think about her? She dey rock am, she dey enjoy. I been na youthfulness. Wetin she go talk tomorrow when them go ask her questions, my people? She dey expose body, na in this I don't tattoo am. Abeg Mayokun, you sef come talk. What you think about this matter? Abi you sef happy say your fan don't tattoo your face or you completely for him tummy? Now which kind celebrity love be this time, my people? Because some people go bust out. Una see how e dey now, my people. It take tattoo and just from her under bobby and for her tummy. What you go talk tomorrow? I don't know how some people they take reason, my people, because say these youths them now, they do things for now, they forget tomorrow. When I forget say this tattoo, so they disappear anyhow. People tattoo they were not permanent one. What you want take for the rest of your life? You go the red tattoo. You not go know. People go ask you question. When your children go take ask you question, what you go talk? My people, what you not think about them? As I say no. Make a bring and to make una chook una mouth to take join put am for inside this matter, my people. What you not think about this whole matter? Now surprising thing. Meanwhile, all this they happen. Some blind girl for Ghana, it don't come out, it don't come encourage people, say no matter your situation, no matter what you dey face, so you fit do better thing for your life. It not talk say make you go stand for road, it not talk say make you go do this. It prefers say despite her condition, make she actually they work and they help her mother out, my people. I go leave the video, me una fell listen. Wait way they talk after we go talk our own.
Hello guys, hello everyone. So my name is Jennifer, and those of you who know me on TikTok, my name is Queen Jita, and I'm a student. Actually, really, I'm a student. But just want to encourage you all out there. as you all can see, I'm visually impaired, but this is what I do for a living. Okay, so my main kind of chief, yeah, michigari, and then I'm mommy, and so this is what I have to do for me to go to school to send me away. And so as you can see, and yeah, any work, yeah, it's like you can just put it on fire and you will leave it. No, you still have to be turning it, and you have to be doing the rounds and here and there. So this is what I do actually for a living. This is what my mom does, and today she's not actually feeling too well. She's not too good, and so I have to step in. And so this.
So my people, una don hear wetin wey this our sister Jennifer aka Queen TikTok e don talk. This one na better motivation wey e dey go for everybody. So long as you get life, my people, there is hope. No condition e suppose tie you down, make you not do one or two things, my people. Una don lis ten wetin wey e talk. E talk say yes, e dey so e be visually impaired. E never deny, but e no dey stop her for take work for help her mother pay her school fees, my people. This one na better motivation for tell people say no situation no suppose make you turn beggar for street. You fit do everything, because where she dey, she take explain say to fry garri no be only to put am for fire, you leave am, you suppose turn am left, right, and she don sit, she don master everything about her, my people. She don't master everything around her, and she is ready to live with the situation, and she is ready to help my people. Now she bring this matter out. I say yes, me self I say now, even to me, my people, na better motivation. It's supposed to tell me say there is more I can do. Say where are they? I never reach, my people. Now I believe say na the kind idea this way we supposed to move her out. And my people, say where you dey, you not supposed end day, because you fit do even more. Because if not, some people they first be virtually impaired like this, they take sit down, they know they help, they know they do anything, but she still they go school, she still they help her mother out. And she talks saying that because her mother no well, una say she don't master am way, even in the absence of her mother tomorrow, my people, she fit help herself out. I see this matter, I say no, make her bring her, make una see am too, make una gain some kind of motivation, make una gain some kind of positive energy for this people, for this girl, a testimony and her story. And of course, my people, una they get some big man for Ghana where he don't decide for comot out, come help her. She's her, if her destiny helper don't locate her, be that. I say no, make her bring them. Una see, my people, what una think about the video? I been no be big motivation this, my people. Anyways, we go wrap this video for here. If you there up to now, you never subscribe, I beg you subscribe, like, share, and leave comments for comment section.